A volcano warning has been issued for Colfax County, Harding County, and Mora County, effective until 4:41 a.m.
Volcano warning. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States Geological Survey. The Capulin Volcano National Monument, located in Des Moines or Capulin, New Mexico, is showing signs of eruption. An eruption may occur at any time, although it is not certain that the volcano will erupt. This situation is imminent. Evacuation of Colfax and Harding County residents is strongly advised. If you choose not to evacuate, you may be putting your safety at risk. Also, unnecessary travel is not recommended by any means. If you choose to travel, do so at your own risk. The only recommended travel is for evacuation purposes only. If you are extremely concerned for your safety, you may evacuate now. Stay tuned for further information. Immediate evacuation and a civil danger warning for Des Moines, New Mexico. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the United States Geological Survey and the New Mexico National Guard. The Capulin volcano, located in Des Moines, New Mexico, was reported to have erupted. Massive shaking of the ground has been felt throughout all of Des Moines, New Mexico. Massive fountains of lava, as well as large plumes of smoke, have been seen from the volcano as a result of this eruption. Ashfall is now imminent throughout the area. Evacuation of Des Moines counties are recommended. Evacuate now. An administrative message from the United States Geological Survey. The eruption of the Capulin Volcano National Monument, located in Des Moines, New Mexico, has caused mass devastation throughout Des Moines, New Mexico. Although the threat to residents of Des Moines, New Mexico is over, the entire area was devastated, and residents are not allowed to return home. Massive piles of ash have been dropped from the sky due to the aftermath of the eruption. Lava is still in the area, melting whatever is left. Almost everything in the area has been completely decimated from existence. No casualties have been reported at this time. A few injuries from evacuating were reported, but are not said to be fatal. Once again, the entire area of Des Moines, New Mexico, was completely devastated by the Capulin volcano. Do not return home.